Good morning, Garfield Wildcats. Okay, straighten your rows. Time to pay attention. Mr. Adams is recording us today, so we want to do our very best. We're excited for Miss Austin's showcase. All right, I'm going to pass it on to them.
Good morning, Garfield Wildcats. Please stand. My name is Justice. Please join us in the Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge. Good morning. My name is Jeremiah. Please join us in the Homer salute flag. Attention, salute, pledge. Good morning, my name is Dixie. Please join us. Our school cream. Ready, begin. Begin. Amazing. Please join us. The Wildcat website.
fine business?
All right, we are going to be doing our showcase. We've been talking about being thankful since this is November and we are getting ready to have Thanksgiving break. So our song that we are going to do is called Gratitude Attitude.
And they did better yesterday, but they were nervous, I think, because they were all smiles yesterday doing it. All right, today is Friday. Our lunch menu for today is pepperoni pizza, broccoli with cheese, corn, and pears. All right? Keep talking about what you're thankful for. Remember to ask your family members what they're thankful for. Talk about it in class. It's the month of Thanksgiving, so it's a good time to remember what we're grateful for. And that song reminded us of that, didn't it? All right, we have Miss Gory going today, so Miss Dickinson's filling in. Everybody say thank you, Miss Dickinson. She's been here a lot. Everyone else is here today, so we should be as normal. Any other announcements? There is a birthday on Sunday, Cadence's birthday. Everybody say happy birthday, Cadence. today too, and Braden wants us to know that. So, anything else? Okay, Camber's is tomorrow, but she went to eat breakfast. So if you see Camber in the hall, tell her happy birthday. All right. Have a great weekend, and we'll see each other on Monday. Have a great recess and lunch. I will see you at recess and lunch. Have a great Friday. Stand up, kindergarten and first grade.